Hey man, welcome back to Man Time. Today's episode, I've got what I think is going to be my new favorite chainsaw. I don't know yet. I haven't ran it in the wood. Unlike the last time where I ran the saw, it had some issues. That crank was actually bad. Somehow the bearing, the rod bearing, or something went bad in it. And so I've gone through, I've ported it up, done some machine work, done an exhaust mod, plugged up that decomp. Let's get it in some wood. Welcome to Man Time. All right, well, part two of a man's perfect chainsaw. Hopefully this will be the time. Just got done doing that port work. This is the first time running it in any sort of capacity. I did heat cycle it a couple times, even though that piston wasn't new. It was already mated to the cylinder through a full tank of gas. But let's see how it restarts here, or first start of the day. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. Alright, well, the sun is coming out. It just got done raining, so the humidity is kicked up. I've got some other stuff to do. Lawnmower maintenance and then mowing the yard here. But, man, I couldn't be happier with the 2071. Perfect saw. It worked out exactly as planned. It is hot. It is, like, on the ragged edge of, like, running it, and you're like, is it going to blow up? Isn't it? Who cares, because it's cutting the wood so well. I'm just going to run it until it blows. And, I mean, I've never had one of my ported saws blow, but man, do they come alive. Going from, of course, the crank was, you know, causing some issues initially running it, but if you go back a couple videos, watch this saw running in stock form, nothing done to it, versus what it's doing now. It's night and day. I mean, just literally night and day. Completely different saw. So, I'm happy with it. Puts a smile on my face. It's going to be a first grab for sure. Anyways, that's going to do it for today on Man Time. You like this type of stuff, do whatever you want to do. If not, go on to another video or another channel, or like and subscribe. I don't care. But whatever you do, get out there, have you some man time too.